Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Indeed affiliate marketing for hiring leads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Indeed affiliate marketing for hiring leads, start by visiting the Indeed affiliate program page. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid issues with your application. After submitting, wait for a confirmation email from Indeed. Check your email for further instructions on finalizing your account. Once confirmed, log in to your Indeed affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available resources. Explore the marketing materials provided, including banners and text links. Choose the promotional materials that best suit your audience. Generate your unique affiliate tracking links from the dashboard. Copy these links and integrate them into your website or promotional content. Ensure the links direct users to job listings on Indeed. Monitor your website traffic and click-through rates using your dashboard analytics. Regularly update your promotions to keep them relevant and attractive. Utilize social media platforms to share your affiliate links and reach a wider audience. Engage with potential leads by creating valuable content related to hiring and recruitment. Track your leads and conversions to assess the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Optimize your strategies based on the data you collect over time. Stay informed about changes in the Indeed affiliate program to maximize your earnings. Commit to delivering quality content and support to your audience, building trust and credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.